Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to The Kind of Life. Welcome to the channel. We're here at Granbury Resort staying at the cabin that's seated for about 18 people. So let's check it out and give you guys a little tour of what this place is all about. So the parking lot is right in front, so very easy to access. Now those are the older units. Those are the luxury cabins that we stayed in last time. You see the size difference between the two. That's a cabin, and those are the luxury villas. That's what they're called. So let's check out our room 24-2. All right, so nice open layout. Love the whole cabin vibe. Let's go ahead and check everything out and see what we got going on. So you got your closet with the vacuum, some chairs. Probably don't really need to access this, but we can go ahead and hang our stuff right there if needed. Yeah, there's some extra chairs in here. Let's get some lights on. So right when you enter, you got your kitchen right here with the countertops, stainless steel appliances. So your fridge, your sink, dishwasher, stove, gas range. And then these are fully furnished kitchens. So like all your knives, all your utensils, bowls, everything that you need. Look at that, fully packed to the brim. Yeah, so everything you need, salt, pepper, juicer. Yeah, pretty much everything. Your garbage can. And turn some more lights on. And then dining table right here, seat 7. Large dining table, so it's kind of nice. Everything has got that wood vibe to it. And then your seating living room area, you got your sofa with a side chair, TV, and then fireplace, which is also gas operated, which you can just control from here. And it should turn on. Oh, you know what? They turned it off because of the summer months, so it does not work right now. But yeah, you do have that, and it's open, so you don't want it to turn on. And yeah, just the overall layout of everything right here, guys. And then, oh, you got a little rec area. How did I miss that? Oh, this is cool. You got air hockey right here. This is fun because it's one of my favorite things to do. So we got air hockey, side lamp, a couple chairs to kind of just hang out, relax. So yeah, you got all that. And then you got a balcony also. Let's show you guys. Turn some lights on. Oh, wow. So that's kind of nice. So yeah, your balcony overlooking the pond in the back, right next to Starved Rock, so not too far from there. And what's cool is because they're all staggered, gives you a little bit more privacy when you're sitting back here. So yeah, kind of nice. I like that. All right, let's continue on with the tour. And then you got staircases going down and up. So let's go downstairs first. All right, so this is the basement. All right, turn some more lights on. So you got your washer, dryer down here, your furnace and everything else. Don't need to touch any of that, but do got the washer and dryer in case we need it. And then you got a bathroom downstairs. So you got your bathroom right here, all your amenities, lotion, soap, etc. Your toilet, shower curtain. It looks nice. Maybe a closet. Oh, more furnace. That's part of that. So we'll keep all that closed. So that area we don't need to touch. And then some bedrooms. We'll get some more lights on. So even though we're in the basement, technically, you got windows and it's kind of like sunken English style basement. So you got a couple bunk beds on this one right here. So like a queen, full. Yeah, it's a queen. It's pretty big, actually, the bottom was. And then the twin on top. So you can get a few people in this unit right here. And closet space. And then a TV with some dressers, drawers. So you can go ahead and put all your belongings. And then you have another bedroom down here also. So this one also has 2 queens. So you got your fireplace, TV, drawers, jacuzzi also. And then a closet. You got the ironing board and the iron in this. And then also the bathroom that's attached, so it gives you a little bit more personal space. So your toilet, your standing shower, your sink, towels, hair dryer, you got everything that you need right here. So let's go upstairs now. And then before we go upstairs, you also got another bathroom right here. Yep, so everything else, just like the other ones, got everything you need, standing shower as well. Very nice. And then onto the upstairs level. I like this whole open layout right here, guys. So gives you a little bit more space. And then the master bedroom upstairs. So this is the master bedroom upstairs. You got the king size bed, fireplace, TV, dresser, drawer, mirror, lamps. So this room is actually well lit. It's a lot of light coming in. So this is in the front of the unit. So you got a huge window. Jacuzzi as well. Closet that's open, and the bathroom. So separated from everybody. Got the sink, towels, toilet, standing shower as well. So kind of the same vibe. So that concludes the tour of the cabin at the Grand Bay Resort. So if you guys have any questions about this place and the unit that we're staying at, put it down below. Other than that, thanks for watching, guys.